Do you have a Silverado that your dash cluster does not light up in? This is how we're going to fix it. First step, lower your steering wheel all the way, pull your gear shifter down, and then you'll pull this off. It just pulls off. That's all it does, straight off. Mine's a little messed up, so it's going to pull off easier than yours, but it just pulls straight off there. So once you pull that off, you have a bolt there, a bolt there, a bolt there, and a bolt there, and then this cluster will come out. With those 7 mils out, your cluster will just come right out. Again, you got to keep your gear shifter all the way down here, and the cluster will come out. And then you unplug it. There's our cluster out. There's your connector. You just squeeze it like that, and it'll wiggle it back and forth. It'll come out. And then we take this inside and take it apart. It's fairly easy to take apart, as you can see these clips here. And then I will show you where the problem area lies. Alright, we got the cluster inside taken apart. This is our LCD screen. All you're going to do is pop these tabs off the back of it, and this will come out. It's a press fit, so it'll be kind of tight, but this will come out. Looking at the back of the board here, you're going to desolder this line of pins right here. And then you're going to be able to push these clips out. And once you're able to push these clips out, you can take your LCD, or not the actual LCD, but this display here, you can take this out, look over the solder joints inside of here and everything, reflow everything. Then you'll put it back in here, reflow this, and then you'll hook it back up and make sure it works. If it doesn't work, then the issue could be inside of this. On a side note, if you don't have a soldering wick, you can use some copper wire and flux, and it'll work just like one. Probably not as good, but it'll still work. With a little bit of patience and time, you can desolder that from there. And looking at it, you can actually see there's a hole right there for what should be like a pad of some sort. And then there's actually cracks. I'm not gonna be able to show it, but there's cracks on these pins too. So I'm gonna reflow all of these, reflow that, and then I'm also going to reflow these because they look rough. And then hopefully that'll take care of it. So we got everything resoldered. Our next step is to clean this up with cotton swabs and alcohol. Put it back in here, solder it, clean it up with cotton swabs and alcohol again, and then we'll be good to go test it. All right, we got that soldered up. We're gonna clean it up and then pop it back in its case and then take it out to the truck and test it. There you go, Prndl works.